Hello friends, welcome to UGC NET GATE Studios. From today onwards we are starting the playlist of operating system. In this playlist we will solve all the previous year questions asked in UGC NET and GATE examinations. So we are starting with the topic of disk scheduling. This is the question asked in UGC NET June 2020. Let's see the question. It is the topic of disk scheduling in operating system. Now let's see the question. Consider a disk system having 60 cylinders, means there are 60 cylinders. Requests are received for cylinders. These are the requests received 10, 22, 22, 46 and 38 in that order. Disk head is currently at cylinder number 20. The algorithm uses shortest seek time first, SSTF. Shortest seek time first algorithm is used. What is the time taken to satisfy all the requests if it takes 2 milliseconds to move from one cylinder to adjacent one? Here in such type of questions, the most important thing that we have to note in the question is this time. That is to move from one cylinder head to another, how much time it takes. Generally in some question they may have given the time as 1 millisecond, and in some we can have 2 milliseconds or more. So please do keep this point in mind. And it is given having 60 cylinders. So here we have to means arrange the cylinders in ascending order or descending order, but in this case we will generally arrange the cylinders in ascending order. For convenience we generally arrange in ascending order. And now I will also tell about this algorithm also. Shortest seek time first. In this scheduling, generally there are several algorithms like first come first serve, shortest seek time first, look, scan, see look, see scan. There are several algorithms. Now first let us see this one. Now I am drawing the cylinders, representing the cylinders. So it is having 60 cylinders, so we can generally number it from 0 to 59. Generally this is the numbering system. You can also have 1 to 60, but generally having 0 to 59, we can have also 1 to 60 or 0 to 59, anything you can take, but generally this is the notation used in most of the cases. And we have to arrange these numbers, these cylinder numbers in ascending order. So first I have 2, then I have 6, after 6 I have 10, then after 10 I have 20, after 20 I have 22, then I have 38 and 40. So general mistakes that students do is that they miss out some of the numbers here. So be careful while placing these numbers, else means the answer will definitely be wrong if you miss some of the numbers. So generally I have the numbers 7. So here we should have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So I have placed these numbers in ascending order. So disk head is currently at cylinder number 20. So I have my disk head here. I am marking it like this. I have my disk head is at cylinder number 20. Shortest seek time first algorithm is used. So I am here. I can either go to this right hand side or I can come to left hand side. Okay. But here the algorithm is shortest seek time first. Means the seek time is the time which I take from moving from one cylinder to another cylinder. That should be the shortest. From one cylinder to another cylinder, the time which I take, it should be the shortest. Means the time which will be the shortest will be taken first. That is shortest seek time first. So from 20 to 22, if I move, 22 minus 20 is 2. This difference is only of 2. Okay, 2 millisecond is difference. And from if I move towards the left from 20 to 10, then this difference will be of 10. 20 minus 10 is 10, but here the difference is 2. So this one is smaller, this one is lesser. So I will move here and fulfill this request. I am fulfilling the request as mentioned here. Now from 22 to 38, if I move this distance, if I move to the right, so this distance will be 16. The difference is 8 minus 2 6, 3 minus 1 16. and if I move, this has already been serviced. Now from this has not been serviced to the left, you have to check to the right and you have to check towards the left. The request which has not been serviced yet, the which we have supposed from 22, I will not move to 20 because 20 has already been serviced. So I have to move to 10, from 22 to 10, that from here to 10, that difference is 22 minus, the difference is 22 minus 10, which is 12. So this difference is 16 and this difference is 12. So I will move to this side because the difference is less. So I will be moving to 10. So the request 10 is serviced now. Now from 10 I will either move to the right or to the left. If I move to the left, 6, 10 and 6, the difference is 10 minus 6 is 4. And if I move towards the right, the difference is 10, not serviced is 38. The difference is 38 minus 10 is 18. So here I am getting towards the right, I am getting a difference of 18, and towards the left I am getting a difference of only 4. So I will be moving towards the left. Similarly from 6, if I move towards the left, I will be getting a difference of 6 minus 2 is 4, and if I am moving towards the right, I will be getting a difference of 6 to 38. 38, it has not been serviced in the right. So 38 minus 6, it will be 32, and this difference is only 4. So I will be moving towards the left. So see, all the requests towards the left has been serviced. Now towards the 0, now don't consider 0 because it is a total number of cylinders from 0 to 59. The requests are only these are the requests which has been given in the question. By mistakenly don't come towards 0 or move towards to service them, because as per the algorithm, shortest seek time first will be moving only by taking the differences and servicing the request which has been mentioned here only. Okay, now you can move towards the right any way you want, because towards the left every request has been fulfilled, has been serviced, and the remaining requests are 28 and 40. So I will be 38 and 40. So I will be simply moving directly towards 38 and then I will be moving towards 40. Now you can see all the requests has been serviced as per the algorithm. All the requests has been serviced. Now I have to calculate the time, that is I have to calculate the seek time. Now here I have to calculate the seek time. So how we will calculate it? From 40, I am taking it from here from 40 to 38, that is this gap, 40 minus 38 plus this gap, 38 to 2, this line, this gap, 38 minus 2 plus now this gap, 22 and 2, 22 minus 2 plus this gap has been covered, only gap left is this gap, that is 22 minus 20. Now see, in this case you may ask, you are taking each point, here there is one point, I am taking this point and this point, and here there are two more points. Why I took it directly from 22 to 2? Because if you take from 6 to 2, then will add from 10 to 6, then will add from 22 to 10, the difference will be the same. So I directly wrote it as 22 minus 22, this point minus 2, 22 minus 2 I wrote it directly. If you are confused, you can also write 22 minus 10 plus 10 minus 6 plus 6 minus 2. The result will be the same as 22 minus 2 only. Okay. So now let us calculate. This will be 2 and this will be 36 and this will be 22 minus 2 is 20 and this will be 2, and if I add it, it will be 38 plus 20, 58 plus 2, 60. It is the 60 millisecond. But here I have considered here taking the case of 1 millisecond, that it takes 1 millisecond to move from one cylinder to another. But here we have, in the question we have 2 millisecond. It is given it takes 2 millisecond to move from one cylinder to adjacent one. So for 2 millisecond, we will simply multiply this 60 into 2, that is equal to 120 millisecond. This is the answer. This is what is the total time taken to satisfy all the requests. It is 60 into 2, 120 millisecond. In simple case, if this will be given 1, the answer will be simply 60, or sometimes the time is not mentioned. In that case, we have to generally take it as 1 millisecond. But here, since it is given it is 2 millisecond, I multiplied it with 2 and generally I got to 20 millisecond, that is 120 millisecond. that is the total seek time taken to fulfill or service all the requests. So let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts regarding this type of question, and do join our Telegram and WhatsApp group. The link has been given in the description box, and we'll be bringing more questions of this type in the playlist. So do check the operating system playlist. There will be only previous year question will be solved step by step. So thanks for watching it. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.